Hey guys, it is Summer Gehrke with Savvy Totes with Summer, and I am here with some exciting things to show you. So I just received my pink box right behind me. I actually opened it already, and I have all of the products sitting in front of me from our new spring guide and spring catalog. So I wanted to show you this because as a consultant who qualified for the opportunity for this special perk, I was able to purchase our new enrollment kit to show you. So I want to show you what you get in our signature enrollment kit if you have ever thought about joining my team, becoming a 31 gal, whether just to get that 40% discount on all of your products that you are going to love this season, or you want to make some money on a very flexible schedule. You want to just be a part of our pink bubble and our sisterhood. You've been following me for a while. You're like, I want a little bit of that, a little bit of fun, right? Let me show you what you get in the signature kit. We have two kits. It's a signature and a deluxe, and this is the signature that I want to show you. So first off, it comes in this fantastic pink box, and if you get it, do not throw it away because you are going to want to use that in your business. Trust me, I'm so happy I had the opportunity to get that because when I got mine 6 years ago, I didn't keep my box, and I've been kicking myself. So yay for that. All right, so you guys, you open it up, and you have a gorgeous large utility tote. Top number one seller ever since it debuted 10 years ago. This is in our brand new print called Fun Flags. Lots of fun colors, navies, reds, peaches, teals, turquoises, greens. Lots of fun for spring and summer. Obviously looks a lot like a pool bag with those fun it's called Fun Flags, but those flags that you see at swim meets. My daughter just joined swim team. She's got her first meet coming up. Guess what mom is going to use for that? This bag is amazing, and FYI, we do have an icon that looks like a swimmer swimming in water, so it's super cool if you've got kiddos on swim team. So all of the products in your brand new signature enrollment kit come inside that large utility tote. On top of the tote is the topper for your tote. $10 value. This has little slits. It just slides right over the handles. I don't know if you can see that. Slides right over the handles on your tote. Makes you have a nice clear window that you can see through, but it fits snug onto the corners. It's got these little elastic corners. Fits nicely onto there, grabs it, won't fall off, but it's great for when you're storing items and then the dust and the dirt and all those bugs or whatever doesn't get into your clothing or anything that you're storing in the garage or your closet. All right, let's move on. What else you get? Retro Metro bag in our new Stepping Stones pattern. This is one of our new neutrals, gray and white. I love this print. Makes a beautiful backdrop for all sorts of fun personalization. The Retro Metro bag is also one of our top selling purses. It's got two, or totes I should say. It's got two water bottle pockets on the side. It's got fun inspirational graphics, little sayings stitched into each bag. This is very casual, kind of a carefree, fun, kind of, you know, weekend type of tote. I love that bag. We also get a statement pouch, I just totally blanked on the name of this, statement canvas zipper pouch, I think it is. And this is a medium size. So we have our large zipper pouch sizes, and then we have our mini zipper pouches. This one is kind of an in-between. It has our fun little bee icon. So this is just showing you one of the new spring options that you can put on totes and little pouches like this, but you can also put photos and all sorts of other things on here, but they showed you that with the bee. And then we have our fun new scallop stripe picnic thermal tote with the red anchor icon on it. This thing is your go-to in the spring and summer when you are taking some beers, some wine coolers, wine, sodas, juice boxes to the beach, to the pool, to your kids' outdoor sporting adventures. We've got these fun little plastic clasps. These are so fun. And then I love the turquoise. You guys know I love me my turquoise. These feature the leak lock lining, which means that you can pour ice directly into these bags. So this is going to be your go-to It also makes a great gift this spring and summer, but this is really, really fun in this scallop stripe because it looks like summer to me with all those waves on there. Okay, moving on. One of my all-time favorites ever, not around town tote, All About the Benjamins, which I always use with the around town tote. This is our #1 selling wallet. If you haven't tried it, you have to get one of these. You can return it within 90 days if you don't like it, but I promise you, this is probably going to be your favorite wallet ever. This thing is absolutely amazing. You can put your phone in here. You add the wristlet strap. They give you a wristlet strap with it in your enrollment kit, which actually will also go really well with this little statement pouch here with the bee. This is a #1 seller every single month. Now, one of our fun classic thermal totes in the llama print. Actually, it's in the green cabana stripe. This is our new green cabana stripe print featuring the fun little llama. He's super cute. Llamas are everywhere this season. This is 18 bucks. This is going to be your go-to for many customers who are looking for a tote for their kids' lunch or even for themselves to take to work. Another fun llama on our cinch sack. You get the cinch sack too, you guys, in charcoal crosshatch, which is our #1 print. Makes a perfect backdrop for all sorts of fun monograms and iconics. My kids have a million of these. These are great for swim practice, for just going to some little play date or a friend's house after school. I guess they're called hangouts now, but I still have a young one. I can still say play date. These are awesome. Even as a mom, when I am just kind of really casual, going to the gym to take my daughter to swim and I don't want to take my purse, I can just throw my wallet and a phone and a couple things in here and have a cute little cinch sack to use. Okay, and then you also get a pillow cover, Sunshine on My Mind. This is super cute for our spring season. Fun little flip-flops, but you can really make all sorts of pillows your own with our fun photo options, all sorts of embroidery and print options, but this is a great one to get you started. You can buy inserts through 31, or you can even get them on Amazon, at IKEA, at Joann's or Michael's, for very inexpensive amounts of money, and get that all fluffed up and ready to show at your parties. And then I don't think I showed you guys this one yet. This is the pinwheel party. This is a fun new colorful one for spring. This is our all-in organizer. These are fantastic. I just got one of these to hold all of my Scentsy bars that were kind of like falling all over the place in the closet in there. And so I put Smells So Good on mine. But these are also really great to store DVDs for, if your kids have a lot of Disney DVDs or fun movies that you've collected over the years, or even CDs if you even have those anymore. These are really good for that as well. But this is just a fun all around nice little handy tote. I actually recommend keeping one of these in the front seat of your car because you're always got stuff flying around and maybe you got things to return or just little errands to run, and you can just put them in here and go in and out of the house with that. So super cute, pinwheel party. And then the last one, I think I've showed you everything that you get, but there's more. You get the zip top organizing utility tote. So this is also one of our top 10 every single month. This is a fantastic utility item. The fold and file, by the way, fits perfectly down into this bag if you are looking for a mobile office solution. Like I was just telling my VIPs, if you are in real estate and you're in your car a lot, or if you're in medical sales, pharmaceutical sales, or any kinds of sales, and you're always working out of your car, this is really nice to have. And you put a fold and file directly in there, and you can kind of tote your files around. But this is a fantastic bag. Also makes a really great diaper bag or a travel bag. It does zip, great for carrying onto the plane. Things will not fall out. And you've got the 2 mesh water bottle pockets on this side. This is always in our top 10, and this is in the new green cabana stripe. So you guys, you get all of that in this kit for $99. This is one of our brand new spring enrollment kits that just are going live. Well, they just went live, so you can get it now. There's also one for $179, which includes some wood pieces from our wood decor collection, as well as our Studio 31 collection. But this will showcase all of these items that you get. You also get all sorts of business supplies that will help get you launched and ready to start your business with a bang. Now, I do have a very special opportunity that I have to share with you because there's only 2 more days to get this opportunity to enroll for $49. $49, and you get all of these products that you see here. That Totally Thermal is $48 alone. So 48, or you can pay $49 and get all of these and be a consultant with 31, which means that going forward, everything that you buy is going to be 40% off. You get 25% commission on all orders placed through you, plus your chance to earn Wishes rewards, which helps you redeem points for free products, free business supplies, Disney cards, and Visa cards. So we have a very lucrative program. We've got 3 different options right now to enroll: $49, $99 like I just showed you, and the $179, but the $49 is only 2 more days. So make sure you get with me if you've been thinking about it. I can help you get started. I can help you place your order for 40% off for any other spring items that you may want. Starting March 1, you can get those items. But I am here to help you get your business launched, whether you're just in it for the discount, which is super smart, or you want to make some money, maybe a little bit of money a month, you know, to help supplement your household income, but you need to do it on a really flexible schedule. You guys, I'm a mom of 2. I'm driving everywhere after school. They're busy. I get it. So I can help you make money on a flexible schedule, help you meet some amazing women. You're going to be instantly surrounded by my team of women that absolutely will love you and help you and cheer you on. So please let me know if that is of interest to you and you've been thinking about it. I would love to chat with you and answer any questions and see if it's a fit. Have a really great day. Thanks for watching, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.